T. Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter A to Z. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's trace and paint them together. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. S for saw. S for snake. S is for snacks, but don't eat too much. T for tree. T for train. T is for toes, they tickle when you touch. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. U is for uncle, he's thin as a bean. V for vacuum. V for violin. V is for vacuum, that keeps the house clean. W for whale. W for watch. W's for wishes, you make every day. X axe, X fox. X is for xylophone, play it today. Y for yo-yo. Y for yacht, Y is for you, now you know how it goes. C for zebra. C for zebra. C is for zipper, open and closed. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to my channel.